Hey guys, today I'm showing you Beastella. He's half dog, half wolf. I know, I keep on saying that for no reason, right? Okay, let me go to the next door. I know it's kind of early, so next door. Let me tell you about him. Oh, the other dog, Musa, you know what he did? He was humping him. Exactly, humping a dog. That's gay. Be right back. Hey. Just like a little bit later, he just humped Musa as well. I'm like, why did he hump him? I was laughing real hard. Oh, that was mad funny. You want to see another dog? Alright. This Musa, he got on the butt. I can't believe we let the dog do that to him. That was funny. I love that. Musa, you like that? Like that. I'm gonna show you another homeless little doggy. It's a puppy. Then I'm about to show you a beautiful thing that you never seen before. I don't know it's a doggy, but I'm going to try to find it. But now, Musa's crazy. Oh, Uncle, he let him go. Like nearly let him, go. Let him out of the chain. He used to be over there, but now because he let go of him, and now he's all the way over here now. Alright, so we can't find his bone. We lost his bone. That's not good. Let's see if we can find his bone. Can y'all see his bone around here? I can't see his bone. Tell me in the comments, where do you see his bone? His bone is lost. Oh, one thing, they burned all this stuff for no reason. I don't know why, but okay, I'm gonna show you another dog. I didn't find dog, but I got this sweet car. I know y'all love this car. This car all sweet for you. Sorry, I had to bother for 1 second. But this car, it's not half silver, half gray. It's just in the stage right there. Those people don't even live here, and they're just gonna park their car there. Like, what's this? Look at these baby pigeons. They're pretty to you, right? They can't talk yet. We're gonna make them talk. You got all those coconuts. Okay, I'm about to show you that car again. Alright, I'm in front of the car now. Okay, look at this car. It's so sweet and hot for you guys. I really like it, but okay. Let me walk back and back for you to see the whole entire car. Okay, this is it. My video is done. Goodbye.